Welcome to the Nomadics MDU portal for student housing product demo. Student housing residents require quality Wi-Fi to study, attend virtual classes, work, stream shows, and more. Unfortunately, research shows that 50% of all MDU residents report experiencing network issues. Student housing properties have an opportunity to not only support students' academic success, but also improve retention and revenue through providing quality, reliable, and secure Wi-Fi services. We offer students day one instant access to their private networks, gaining secure and quality connectivity within their units and across the property. When a student picks up their apartment keys, they can also get an email that gives them their wireless password and login access to their portal. When logging into the Wi-Fi portal, students can view detailed setup and management instructions, all connected devices, bandwidth subscription details, and Wi-Fi network and password settings. Property managers gain simplified onboarding and robust management controls of the property Wi-Fi. The solution also minimizes operational overheads. When the property manager logs in, they can easily manage the resident subscribers. Since students typically move in at roughly the same time, we offer a batch subscription feature. Adding new students can also be done individually as needed. It's simple to shut off services for mass move-outs as well. Additionally, the portal can be branded to the property. By implementing the Nomadics MDU portal, property owners add recurring revenue, increasing property values. They also boost satisfaction and rental retention by offering quality, high-speed connectivity. Student housing communities can help residents achieve their full potential and academic excellence by providing fast, reliable Wi-Fi. Nomadics. We are your single-source supplier for all your personalized connectivity and digital engagement needs. Let us help you bring connected experiences to life.